going on, everyone? Got a 2015 Toyota RAV4 here, and we're getting maintenance required flashing on the dash. I just changed the oil and I'm trying to reset that, okay? So what you're going to want to do first is make sure that your cluster here is on trip A. So if you hit the display button that you have right here on the steering wheel, right, you can change it from trip B, miles per gallon, all kinds of things. Your how many gallons of fuel you have left, odometer, and right here. Okay, you want it on trip A. Leave it on trip A. Now you want to turn the car off. Okay, so we're going to turn the key all the way off. Now the key, you can turn it to two positions. There's the first click and there's the second click. Okay, now what you're going to want to do is press and hold down the display button you have here, right, and turn the key to the second position. Right, and you'll start seeing these little dotted lines here. That's the maintenance required resetting. Everything's flashing and everything. You can let go of it as soon as it's done flashing. Turn it off, start it up, and you shouldn't have that message anymore. And that's it. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you hit that like button for me.